Yes, we're here in Den Haag station, waiting for the tram. We're going to the beach after Paris. Paris and the beach. So come and join us. We will go to the beach. Yes, here we are at the beach side here in the Netherlands, in Scheveningen. Look at this, a beautiful weather. There's no more rain. Nice. And I'm waiting for my love, but he is in the traffic because it's a holiday in the Netherlands. So there's a lot of traffic, but I'm sure he is coming and he will come and join us here in the beach in Scheveningen in the Netherlands. Come and join us.
One eternity later.
My love arrived, but he is so hungry, so we will try the food here by Banto. Wow, yummy calamares and the stir-fried beef. Yummy, yummy. Eat smakelijk, my love. Come and join us.
A few moments later.
Ayan, buti meron maliwanag pa after we eat our dinner. Ayan, pwede pa kaming mag-picture-picture. So, ayan, picture-picture muna kami. At dito, meron niya yung bago. Ayan, napakalaking salaming. Sunglasses. Para siyang nahulog lang sa beach na sunglasses. So, tingnan mo, a giant sunglasses in the beach. Look, how big it is. Hindi ko mabuhat ang sunglasses na yon. But, ayan, katatry kong buhatin. Ganun eh. Siguro ang may-ari nito, giant, dumaang kagabi. Nahulog. But it's beautiful. Look, ang ganda. At least nice ng picture-picture with this giant sunglasses. Ayun si Maylabo, nasa sunglasses. He tried to move and carry it. At ngayon, yung sand, nila, sculpture, naging purple because in the night, because of the light. It's beautiful, ha? Ang ganda. Sand sculpture ang naging color, purple.
One eternity later.
Kinabukasan, kami naman ni Apo ay bumaba bago mag-check out. Ay, naka-check out na pala kami. We're on the way back home kasi ang sama ng weather. Hindi kami makakastay naman dito sa beach. Look at the weather, so bad. Ayan, nakita nyo yung ang taas-taas ng, yung taas talagang black clouds siya. Kaya picture-picture lang tayo sandali at isinuli lang namin ang aming hiniram na tinidor. Look at this beautiful, yung ginawa nilang sand na mascara, diba? Ang ganda. Oh, kahapon purple ang kulay, ngayon white na. Kulay na talaga siya ng semento, ng buhangin. Ayun o, so picture na lang tayo rito muna, Sophia, kasi maulan siya. So, ayan. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you po. At then, uwi na kami, pero dumaan kami dito where Duterte is. Ayan yung sinasabi nilang Duterte Fort. Pero wala namang katao-tao kasi nga masama ang weather. So, kami as usual na naman ang tao. So, this is Den Haag. Thank you so much guys.